The story of hardworking boy. In a small village, there lived a poor boy named Ravi. His clothes were torn and his slippers were old, but his heart was full of dreams. Every morning, Ravi sold newspapers before going to school. One day, he went to deliver papers to the big houses in town. The rich children there laughed at him and said, "Look at the newspaper boy, he will never be like us." Ravi felt hurt but did not say a word. He promised himself, "One day I will make something of my life, not to show them, but to prove that hard work never fails." He studied under the street light at night and worked small jobs to save money. Years passed. With determination, Ravi started a small repair shop. He treated his customers kindly and worked honestly every day. His efforts turned that tiny shop into a large company. Now, those same rich people who once ignored him came to buy machines from his factory. They were surprised to see the newspaper boy sitting as the owner. Ravi smiled and said, "Money can make you look rich, but only hard work can make you truly successful." Kids, the moral of the story is never underestimate someone because they are poor. Hard work, honesty, and patience can turn even the smallest dream into a great success.